Hot, steamy cup of love with Maria Loves Art. I hope you enjoy this video, and don't forget to try it if you have a chance. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks so much. So I decided to use black on the background, and I am going to paint the sides and all the canvas except where the cup is going to be. I did make my own shade of pink. I used a couple of reds and some white. You can use a pencil first and then paint the heart. So right here I am just adding some black and then I'm adding some white. What I'm doing is I'm trying to make the cup stand out more, so I'm just playing with the paint and working with it so that way it can look even better. I'm going to use a flat brush for the coffee beans. So here come the coffee beans. I don't know how much you want to make, but I'm going to paint a whole bunch of them on the bottom. It's going to take a while. So as I'm painting them, I'm trying to move my brush around so that way they will not be in the same direction. Also, when you're painting, make sure you put some lines in some and leave some with just a solid color. If you decide to paint this, you can always pause it in between so that way you can catch up. If you start the painting and can't finish it the same day, you can always cover your paint and use it when you need to. Did you notice that I didn't use a pencil to draw the coffee beans? You can do the same, or you can use a pencil. You can see here when I'm putting layer on top of layer that the coffee bean is starting to look even better. These coffee beans were my inspiration and they smelled so good. I am adding a darker shade of brown. I am now adding some white. I am going back and forth with the browns and the white. I have started outlining some of them and adding a black line in some also. I'm going to work on the rim right now, and then I will be working on the coffee. I mixed a little bit of yellow, brown, and white. I ended up adding several layers. I am adding some white. You could always let the paint dry and then use a pencil for this. I added just a little bit more brown, and now another shade of a darker brown. I am using the back of my brush to add some little dots. I am now adding some black for some shadows. Let's add some steam. I'm going to go ahead and paint another heart. And you can make a solid heart, but I'm going to go ahead and give it a little broken heart. I am now adding the zigzag line for the broken heart and outlining it as well.